शुरू करते, आराम से बैठ जाए। अब जैसे भी बैठ सकते, पलटी मार के और पाँव सीधा करके आप कुर्सी पर भी बैठ सकते हैं। थोड़ा विश्राम करें। एक साधारण सांस अंदर और सांस बाहर। हथेली आसमान की ओर, कंधा ढीला। रिलैक्स योर शोल्डर, कीप योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट। रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा। साधारण सांस अंदर मुस्कुराते हुए और धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़े। पूरा विश्राम करें। वातावरण की जो भी आवाज़ आ रहा है उस पर ध्यान। Accept all kind of sounds, bird sounds, any kind of sounds. Accept everything and just be with it. जो भी हो रहा है, विचार आ रहा है, आने दे। Thoughts are coming, let it come. No need to control anything. Just be with it, whatever it is. Gentle smile, long breath in and breath out. Completely relax your whole body. Now bring your awareness towards your breath. सांस के प्रति ध्यान ले आए। सांस ले रहे हैं और छोड़ रहे हैं। अपनी छाती की तरफ ध्यान। अब हम चैंट करेंगे। दोनों हथेली को प्रणाम मुद्रा छाती की तरफ ले आए। ब्रिंग योर पाम नियर टू योर चेस्ट इन प्रणाम मुद्रा। नाउ लेट्स चैंट टुगेदर 3 times ओम, डीप एंड लाउड एंड लॉन्ग। सांस ले। सांस ले। सांस ले। खुद को शुक्रिया करें। थैंक्स योरसेल्फ। Now gently rub your palm. When it becomes warm, place it over your eyes. It's very good for your eyes, good for your face. Bring your palm near to your eyes, blink and open with smile. Let's start. For this, stretch your leg forward. Now there's a gap in between your both legs, shoulder apart gap. Now we'll do Noka Sanchalan Asana. For this, make a fist and just as if we are just riding a boat. We have to go back completely, feel the stretch on your abdomen. Keep your knees straight, keep on doing, continue. Keep on doing, knees straight, feel the stretch. When you come forward as much your body allows and go back, feel the stretch on your abdomen. Keep your leg on your yoga mat and come down. Continue. Relax. अब से दाया बाया करें शरीर। Give a twist to your spine, gentle twist, right and left. Be gentle. Vishram. Sit comfortably. Shake your hands little bit. Shake, shake, shake. सारे थकान, स्ट्रेस को निकाले. Let's take out all your tensions and stress. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your shoulder. Relax. Now just bend towards the right. Left hand over your head. Then breathe in and breathe out. Bend towards the left. Right hand over your head. Feel the twist on your waistline. Give a gentle twist. मुस्कुराते हुए करें. सीरियस होके कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. रिलैक्स योर हैंड्स. अब थोड़ा सा गले को घुमा लेंगे. सांस लेते हुए सिर पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे और हल्का सा घुमा ले. पूरा खिंचाव को महसूस करें. धीरे धीरे करें. धीरे धीरे पूरा स्ट्रेच करें. गोल आकार. मेक ए बिग सर्कल with your hand. Feel the stretch. Now when it's come down, opposite side. दूसरे तरफ from left to right. खिंचाव को महसूस करें. धीरे धीरे करें. विश्राम. Hands up. Keep your fingertips on your shoulder. Make a circle. Now opposite side. हम joints के लिए थोड़ा बहुत कर रहे हैं. We are doing for the joints because we will do Surya Namaskar now. For this we have to make our and we have to prepare ourselves for Surya Namaskar. Let all the joints open up. Now slowly stand up. Now just let's come in front of yoga mat. Both feet together. Tighten your thighs. Tighten your glutes, abdomen in. Roll your shoulder back. Look straight. Long breath in. And breathe out. पूरा शरीर को टाइट करें. घुटना को टाइट करें. कंधे को पीछे. And relax. विश्राम करें. Now breathe in and breathe out. Bring your both palm near to your chest. Pranam. Pranam mudra. Now सांस लेते हुए हाथ को ऊपर करें और अपने कमर को थोड़ा आगे करें. हाथ ऊपर, अपने कान के अगल बगल. And breathe out. Come forward from your hips and knees soft bend. अपने घुटना को थोड़ा मोड़े. अपने पेट और जंघिया पर एक साथ लगे हुए हैं. Your thighs and abdomen is touching together. You can hold your ankle or you can keep your palm side by side and pull your head down. Stretch down. You can grab your ankle, pull your chin or forehead towards your knee. Stretch, stretch down. It's good stretch. Don't bend your knee so much. It's a soft bend, little bend. Your knee is little soft bend. Now from here, look straight, keep your palm side by side. Breathe in, take your right leg, stretch back. Take it completely back. अपने हाथ की पाँव की उंगलियां पीछे की तरफ. पाँव की उंगलियां पीछे की तरफ. अब थोड़ा सा अपने बायां घुटना आगे तरफ और कंधे को पीछे. जितना हो सके इतना करें. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं और नहीं तो आप ऐसे भी अगर आपका घुटना ठीक है तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Now keep your palm down. Take your left leg back. We are doing Dandasana plank. Come to tip of your toe. अपने पाँव की उंगलियों पर आ जाए. हथेली को ज़मीन पे और सीधा देके शरीर थोड़ा आगे. Come little forward. Look straight. Now breathe out. knee down, chest down, chin down, घुटना नीचे, छाती नीचे. Now breathe in, slide forward, toes pointing back, अपने उंगलियां पीछे की तरफ और पेट के बल लेटते हुए सिर्फ छाती ऊपर और कंधे को पीछे. कोबरा पोज, भुजंगा. बहुत तरीका की भुजंगा है, हम दूसरी तरफ की भुजंगा कर रहे हैं. We are doing different types of bhujanga. There is lots and different types of bhujanga we have in our yoga asanas. Now breathe out, raise your hips up, press your heel down, pull your head down, feel the stretch. Keep your knees straight, elbows straight, pull your head towards your toe, shoulders opening up. Now breathe in, bring your right leg in middle of your both palm, left toe pointing back. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो come to your fingertips, your right knee going forward, your hips coming down, feel this stretch. Be gentle with your knee. Now slowly bring your other leg in front, pull your head down towards your knee. Slowly breathe in, come up, slide your hands up and hips forward. Breathe out, pranam. Let's do together. Relax your hands, samasthiti. Again breathe in and out, pranam. Breathe in, raise your hands up and arch back. Breathe out, slowly come down from your hips, knees soft bend. Your abdomen is touching your thighs. Pull your head down, or you can grab your ankle, pull your head down, stretch down, more down. You can keep your knees straight also if you want. Pull your head down, feel the stretch on your spine. Keep your palms side by side, breathe in, take your left leg back, stretch back, left toe pointing back. Or you can, your right knee is going forward, come to your toe, whichever is comfortable. Come to your fingertips and breathe in, take your other leg back, come little forward, hips and shoulder in one line in Dandasana. Look straight, body little forward. Breathe out, घुटना, छाती और चिन जमीन पे, knee chest chin on your yoga mat, hips up, toe tug in. Now breathe in, slide forward, your abdomen on your yoga mat, chest up, push your shoulder back, tighten your thighs, tighten your abdomen. Now breathe in and breathe out, raise your hips up, press your heel down, stretch, pull your head little down, shoulders opening up. Breathe in, bring your left leg in middle of your both palm, right toe pointing back. There is, again I am telling you, there is a 2 steps you can do. One step is this one, second step is your knee is going forward, hips going down, look up, come to your fingertips. Now come to your positions, bring your other leg in front and pull your ankle, pull your head down, hold your ankle, pull your chin down. Again breathe in, come up and arch back, hips forward and breathe out, pranam. Relax your hands, breathe in and breathe out, pranam. Breathe in, raise your hands up and arch back, hips forward. Breathe out, slowly come down, stretch down. Breathe in, right leg completely stretch back. Breathe in and hold, take your other leg back. If you want, you can hold your breath, look straight, body little forward, Dandasana. Breathe out, knee down, chest down, chin down. Breathe in, slide forward, Bhujanga. Breathe out, raise your hips up, mounting. Breathe in, right leg in middle of your both palm. Breathe out, left leg in middle of your both palm. Pull your head down. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, pranam. Relax your hands. Breathe out, pranam. Breathe in, raise your hands up, hips forward. Breathe out, slowly come down. Breathe in, take your left leg back. Right leg back. Knee down, chest down, chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Breathe in, slide forward, Bhujanga. Breathe out, hips up, press your heel down. Press your heel down, everyone. Knee straight, elbow straight. Breathe in, left leg in middle of your both palm. Right leg in middle of your both palm. Pull your head down. You can keep your knees straight, head down. Breathe in, come up, hips forward, take your hands back, your hands straight side by side of your ear. Breathe out, pranam. Relax your hands, samasthiti. Breathe in and breathe out, pranam. Breathe in, raise your hands up and arch back. Breathe out, slowly come down. Pull your head down, stretch. Breathe in, right leg back. Breathe in and hold left leg back. Look straight. Breathe out, knee down, chest down, chin down. Breathe in, slide forward, Bhujanga. Breathe out, raise your hips up, mountain. Breathe in, right leg in middle of your both palm. Breathe out, left leg in middle of your both palm. Pull your head down. Breathe in, come up, arch back. Breathe out, pranam. Breathe in, raise your hands up, hips forward. Breathe out with smile, come down. Your abdomen is touching your thighs. Pull your head down, more down, stretch. Stretch down. Breathe in, left leg back. Breathe in and hold right leg back. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Breathe in, slide forward. Breathe out, mountain. Breathe in, left leg in front. Breathe out, right leg in front. Pull your head down, up, and relax your hands. Pranam, relax. Breathe in and breathe out, pranam. Breathe in, raise your hands up and arch back. Breathe out, slowly come down. Take your right leg back. Left leg back. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Slide forward, toes pointing back, Bhujanga. Push your shoulder back. Breathe out, raise your hips up, mountain. Breathe in, right leg in middle of your both palm, look straight. Breathe out, left leg in middle of your both palm, pull your head down. Breathe in, come up and arch back, hips forward. Breathe out, pranam. Relax your hands. Breathe out, pranam. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, left leg back. Right leg back. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Breathe in, slide forward. Breathe out, mountain. Breathe in, left leg. Breathe out, right leg. Come up. Pranam. Last round we will do. Relax your hands. Breathe out, pranam. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, take your right leg, stretch back. Ashwa Sancharan Asana. Breathe in and hold, take your left back. Dandasana, look straight. Breathe out, knee down, chest down, chin down. Ashtang Namaskar. Breathe in, slide forward, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, raise your hips up. Mountain, Parvatasana. Breathe in, right leg in middle of your both palm, look straight. Hips down, look straight. Breathe in and breathe out, bring your other leg in front, pull your head down. Breathe in, come up, arch back. Breathe out, pranam. Relax your hands. Last half round. Breathe in and breathe out, pranam. Breathe in and hands up. Breathe out slowly down. Breathe in, left leg back. Right leg back. Breathe out, knee down. Hold there, everyone. Again, knee up. Knee down, knee up. And hold, everyone. Bring your right knee towards the right chest and hold. Take it back. Left knee towards your left chest, up and hold. Look straight. If you have no neck pain, look straight. Take it back. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Be gentle, how much your body allows, do that much. But try to do beyond your comfort zone. Breathe in, slide forward. Breathe out, mountain. Hold here. Everyone hold. Stay in this posture for a while. Now everyone, if you're okay, raise your right leg, stretch up. Be gentle, how much your body allows, do that much, don't force. Everyday practice, you can do more well. Slowly down, left leg up. Slowly down. Now breathe in, bring your left leg in middle of your both palms. Now here just your right toe tug in, move your hips up and down, look straight. Last round we are doing with little variation so that we are getting a proper stretch. Relax your knee, bring your right leg in front, pull your head down, chin down. You can keep your knee straight, pull your head down or knee soft bend. Stretch your spine down. Come up. Hips forward. Relax. You can stand still. Breathe out by your mouth. Relax completely. Observe your breath. You can close your eyes. If you want, you can sit down, or you can stand, or you can sit in squat pose, Malasana. Whichever is comfortable. You can sit down, or you can be in Malasana, or you can stand. Slowly breathe in, come up. Shake your right leg. Left leg. Don't forget to smile. We are doing everything just to be happy and smile face. Relax. Now both legs together. We are doing Tadasana. Now breathe in, take your hands up. Interlock the finger, palm facing up and come up. Come to your tip of your toe, stretch up as if somebody is pulling you from up. Up. Down. Once again, breathe in up. Stretch up and down. Take your left leg towards the left side or right leg. Now breathe in, hands up. Interlock the finger, palm facing up, stretch up and breathe out, bend towards the right. Be gentle. Push your left shoulder back, look up or look straight, whichever is comfortable. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out. Push your hips towards the right, come to your left. Slowly come up. Relax. Now stretch your leg more than shoulder apart. Now just be like that. Now just simply turn your right foot towards the right side 90 degree and left foot wherever it is. Just be comfortable and balanced. Both heel in one parallel line. Now breathe in, raise your hands up. Breathe out, just bend towards the right side because our right foot on our right side. Left hand going over your head. Push your left shoulder back and look up or look straight. Both legs straight. Hold. If you want, you can come more down, but don't come forward. We are giving a side twist. So you have to come from the side. Don't come forward or don't go backward. Hands up. Look up if you can. Look up. Come little down, look up. We are coming down from the side. Don't come forward. Breathe in, come up. Now change your leg. Turn your left foot towards the left 90 degree. Breathe out. Push your hips towards the right and come down. Hands over your head. Push your right shoulder back, twist and look up. or you can look straight. If your neck is okay, look up. Now hands up, look up. Come more down if you want. Slowly come up. Relax. Now stretch your leg more, wider stand. Now just turn your right foot towards the right 90 degree again. Left foot towards the right 20 degree. Okay. Now just breathe in and breathe out. Bend your right knee and just your both hands up. Your hips is in center. Both hands up. Look at your right side. If you want, you can take your left leg more back. Okay. Your hips little up, but your knee and thighs in one line, but your hips little up. That's it. Hold. This is called Virabhadra Asana. Come up, relax your hands. Now turn your right foot towards the left 20 degree, left foot towards the left 90 degree. Take your right leg more back if you want. Adjust both legs straight, hips in center. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, bend your left knee. Look at your left side. Balance yourself, hold, body still. Gentle smile. Observe your stretch, observe your balance, observe your breath. Come up, relax your leg. Now gently go back and sit in Vajrasana. Come to Shashank, hands slide forward, child pose. Sit on your hips and slide forward. Now gently take your leg back, just lie down on your abdomen. Take your hands side by side, palm facing towards the ceiling. Take your right palm below your right thighs, left palm below your left thighs. Both legs straight. Now breathe in, just raise your right leg straight up. Push your right leg as if you are pushing your back wall with your right toe. Push it knee straight, little up. Don't raise your hips up, just thighs up, knee up, straight. Be with it. Observe your breath and stretch. Slowly down. Now left leg up. Stretch and straight. Your left hips on your yoga mat or on your palm. Slowly down. Now make a fist, thumb inside of your fist and keep it below your hips. Now adjust your hips, your palm, your fist. Now raise your both leg up, little up. Knee straight. Keep your chin down. Knee straight. Push your back wall with your both toe, right and left toe. Slowly down. Hands side by side, take it out. Now both leg, little gap in between your both leg. Take your hands up, back of your hips, interlock the finger, palm together. Now we have to pull ourselves to Sarvasana. Now breathe in, hands up, come up, look up, push your shoulder back, chest up, hands up. Do how much your body allows. Your body is active, hands up. Very good. Keep a smile face. Feel the stretch. Observe yourself. Tighten your thighs, abdomen in, shoulder back. Slowly down. Keep your hands, keep your chin or cheek on your both back of your palm. Relax. Gap in between your both leg. Relax your leg. Slowly take your palm side by side, leg together. Now breathe in. Fix your palm, elbow side by side. Breathe out. Now breathe in, come up, head up, chest up. You can bend your elbow soft if you want, or you can straight your both hands. Push your shoulder back, look up. Bhujangasana. Be gentle. Adjust your palm, be gentle. Push your shoulder back. Be gentle. You can bend your elbow also if you want. Elbow side by side. It's not going out from your body. It's side by side of your waistline, of your rib cage. Slowly down. Now let's do Dhanurasana, bow pose. Bend your both leg, gap in between your both leg. Take your hands back, interlock the, you can hold your ankle or you can hold your toe. And we are doing Dhanurasana. For this, you have to breathe in and come up. Your thighs up, chest up, shoulder back. Thighs more up, push your ankle back, will come more up. Balance yourself on your abdomen, on your hip bone. Smile and hold. If you cannot do this, you can do with your just one leg. Left leg straight and just right leg up. Okay? And left hand in front. Okay? Hold. Or you can do with your both hand or both leg. Slowly down. You can do with your other leg. If you are doing with your only one leg, complete with your left leg, then relax. Now gently roll to your back, come to your spine. Relax for a while. Now both leg together. Just we have to move our leg up and down, okay? Now just move your right leg up and down. Keep your knee straight, right knee straight, toes pointing towards you. Up and down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Be gentle with your back. Palm facing down. Now make a gentle circle with your right leg. Now when it's come down, opposite directions. Relax. Now left leg little up to 30-degree up and hold. Toes pointing out or toes pointing towards you and hold. Your spine is relaxing on your yoga mat. Now from here, bend your right knee, bring your right thigh towards your chest and hug your right leg. Breathe out, head up, chin up. Press it. Pavan Muktasana with our right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out, relax your leg. Now breathe in, left leg up and down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Yoga we should do completely with our breath. Be aware of your breath and your stretch. Now rotate your leg 4 times or 5 times. When it's come down, opposite directions from the other side, left to right. If you have completed, relax. Now left leg up, toes pointing towards you. Hold in 30 degree. Your spine is completely on your floor. Bend your left knee. Hug your leg. Breathe out, head up, chin up. Press your chest with your left thighs. Pavan Muktasana with our left leg. So relax your left. Now just hug your both leg. You can hug it completely. We love ourselves. Press it. Thighs, press your thighs, chin up, head up. Now move your body. Come up and sit up. Be gentle. Don't force. Gentle massage to your back. Gentle smile. Relax. Now move your body right and left. Keep your head down, just right and left. Now relax your feet side by side of your hips. Right feet towards your right buttocks, left hips, left feet towards your left buttocks. Palm side by side in line with your shoulder. Okay? Now breathe in. Remember there is a gap in between your both leg, both feet. So then only we'll get a nice stretch. Take your right feet out of your right hips, left feet out of your left hips. But it should be near your buttocks. Now breathe in. Breathe out, take your both knee, just move your knee, don't move your feet, move your knee towards the right and look towards the left. Feel the stretch. Press your left knee down, left knee down. With the help of your right feet, you can press your left knee down. Feel the stretch. But remember, your left shoulder is not going up, left shoulder on your floor, and you are looking towards the left. Change. Remember, gap in between your leg. Take your both knee towards the left side. Press your right knee down now. Look towards the right. With the help of your left feet, press your right knee down, stretch, but be gentle with your back. Now change other side. Change. 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 Slowly knee up and relax in this, hands side by side. Both legs straight, relax. Gap in between your leg and your hands side by side, palm facing towards the ceiling. Just surrender yourself completely to Mother Earth. Just dissolve and forget everything. Relax. Just this 1 hour only with yourself. Now everyone, take your hands up and stretch up both legs together. Stretch your both legs forward and stretch up. When we wake up in morning, we do stretch our hands like it's called in Hindi Angrayi. Stretch up, it's yawning, same like. And relax your hands and turn towards your right side. Bring your thighs towards your chest and like a baby relax. Slowly sit up with the help of your left palm. Sit comfortably. You can take the support of your wall or you can sit on chair. Just you have to keep your spine straight and relax completely, okay? So we will do pranayama and we will finish. Your left hand in chin mudra, index and thumb together, tip of it, and right hand in Nasagra mudra, or you can control your right nostril with your right thumb, your left nostril with your middle finger and index finger. Now first breathe in from your both nostrils. Close the right nostril with your right thumb, breathe out from your left. Breathe in from your left. Breathe out from your right. Very slowly. Breathe in from your right and breathe out from your left, slow and deep, completely. Breathe in from your left. Breathe out from your right, slow and deep, without any sounds. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your shoulder relax, elbow relax, continue. Eyes closed. Keep doing. It has many amazing benefits. Continue. Simple posture, simple pranayama, but it has lots of benefit. Continue, eyes closed, gentle smile. Continue few more minutes.